God and of a search for a change and a transformation in their lives. And according to this scripture, if you read the preceding verses, the Bible said the journey had been for about 3 days. It's a journey of faith, a journey of life. There are many of us that have been on this journey of faith. To some of us it is 5 years, to some of us it's just 2 years, to some it's 15 years, and others 20 years and above. But it has all been a journey. And let me say something here. In this journey of faith, there is no guarantee of seeing that everything is a green pasture. Because at the course of this journey, they got to a stage where Jesus Christ said, give them food to eat. And the disciples say, where we are is a desert place. The word desert talks about a dry land. It talks about a place where there is no vegetation. It talks about a place where there is no water, living or dead. It talks about the place where it's like the heavens have been closed. There is somebody God is coming to this morning with a word to let you know that no matter how dry the desert is, your heaven is about to be opened. No matter how long the journey has been, there's about to be a sudden divine intervention. There's about to be a sudden divine touch. There's about to be a sudden divine visitation. I don't know who the Lord is talking to this morning. Somebody say, Pastor, I've been in the faith. I don't know what is happening to me. I am here to announce to you that something greater than what used to be is about to happen for you. Something better than what you have encountered is about to happen to you. Somebody is asking where will God intervene. I announce to you now is the season.